I've been with McDonald's for over 30 years. I had the privilege of starting in McDonald's while I was a crew member. And during that period of time, I was fortunate enough to develop through the ranks, culminating with a position within the business that enabled me to understand really what McDonald's franchising is all about. I worked with franchisees for a long period of time. And when the opportunity came for me to become my own franchisee in my own right, it was something that I absolutely wanted to embrace. And in 2021, I had that opportunity and I took on my first free restaurant. So my experience with JEROS really went back to when I was a business manager. I was fortunate enough to have one of their machines in my restaurant. So I knew firsthand how a big of a piece of equipment it was in terms of helping with the day-to-day running of a restaurant. When I attended the worldwide conference, I bumped into the JEROS team there. It was amazing to hear that they were still an approved McDonald's global supplier. And on the back of that introduction and discussion, we began a conversation about how we could look to reintroduce it back into the UK market. I think having a piece of equipment like the JEROS machine into our restaurant is a game changer. It's a commercial bit of kit specifically designed to wash and sanitize utensils for large commercial businesses. And really McDonald's kitchen is not much different to that. We've got large pieces of equipment that require regular cleaning, not just at the end of the day, but throughout the business day itself. And taking that burden and that headache from doing that process sometimes 5-6 times a day from a crew member and making it simpler and more straightforward is something that my staff absolutely embrace. And you know it's a really good piece of kit when the staff want to use it and they pull on that need to use it. So the need and the want is there. The crew love it. And one of the things that they always talk to me about when they visit a restaurant that's got the JEROS is when are they going to get one in their restaurant. One of the impressive features of the JEROS is the loading capacity and the ability to put one of our bun trays directly into the machine with a lot of the equipment that we use makes the whole process a lot simpler. There are other machines out on the market. Unfortunately, they don't offer the capacity and the ease of use that the JEROS does. And the ability to put pretty much everything within our restaurant into that machine is one of the main reasons I see it as a huge benefit to the restaurant and why the staff love it. One of the key things is that it takes away the burden of doing the dive, probably one of the least enjoyable tasks in McDonald's, and having the JEROS machine really helps simplify and make a chore a little bit of fun. One of the things that the staff always comment about is the simplicity and the ease in which the cleaning and the maintenance of the machine and how that's done. The ability for the hood to be lifted up and for the staff to get right to the back of the machine makes the cleaning and the maintenance of it incredibly simple. And that is part of the reason why I think the staff also enjoy it, because the maintenance and the PPM that's involved with keeping it clean is pretty straightforward. I'm often asked when franchisees visit, I haven't got the space and I can't fit the machine in. My response to that is, I think it's really upon us as franchisees to make sure that when we're doing our conversions and doing the RLXs, that we create the right environment, especially for the back room, with more and more recycling, reusing and repurposing packaging. It's going to be an even bigger and bigger part of our business. And we've seen that with the flurry spoons that need to be washed and reused. And that's only the tipping point. There'll be more and more of that kind of packaging that will need to be reused. When you look across some of the major markets around Europe, France and Germany, they've already started on that journey. And I think it's only a matter of time before the UK adopts it as well.